I am very excited to announce that Vagner are releasing their very first ever braided lines, leaders and monoleaders. After 2 years of development, they are finally here. The all-new slime line range. Amazing products that have been developed without a single compromise in quality. Our development took place in Europe and the products contain the highest quality Japanese materials of today. In addition, I'm very proud because we are first ever catfish brand to have an all organic packaging. The complete packaging is made from 100% organic materials, even the spools. In the slime line range, you can find main braided lines, hook leaders, snag leaders, and super soft mono leaders. I wish you tight lines full of catfish slime.